All right, so we're gonna give you the paperwork in just a moment, all right?
Petitioner John Benitez is seeking a restraining order against Riara Robinson, the mother of his children. He's filed paperwork claiming that she's physically attacked him.
So we're here on your case, Mr. Benitez, on a case that you filed against Ms. Robinson, and it's my understanding that you don't want to go forward with the case?
I did all this because I couldn't retrieve my children. I need to make an understanding with her in front of you that she takes the kids for a certain amount of time and I take the kids for a certain amount of time, because I don't want to have to come back over here and file more paperwork. We had an agreement that she took the kids from Thursday and she brings them back on Sunday, and I take the kids from Sunday to Thursday.
So this isn't paternity court, this is domestic violence court.
Okay.
So you filed a domestic violence petition, and you filed these because you're saying that you're afraid.
Yeah.
And I read your petition, and you say that she hit you over the head with a weapon, and that's why you filed this. But when you're coming here now, you're saying it's all about visitation and time sharing.
No, I'm willing to drop the case already.
I'm not forcing you to drop the case, but you filed sworn affidavit that she hit you over the head with a weapon. If what he said is true and you're hitting him over the head with something, that's criminal behavior.
I understand.
Are you doing okay?
No, I'm fine. I just want to get this over with.
John Benitez, because she won't adhere to their custody agreement.
Now you're in here, we want to talk about visitation. So I'm going to let you know you have the right to file a paternity case. You two were never married, right?
No.
And how many children?
2.
Are you on the birth certificate?
Yes.
Okay. So you're already presumably the father, right? So
Yes.
you have rights because you're on the birth certificate, unless
Yes.
that's being challenged. So you do have a right to see your children.
Okay.
And is there an issue that we can help you resolve here regarding a time-sharing schedule?
They were regularly exercising close to 50-50, Your Honor, before
were?
this. Yeah, before this happened. I mean, we are going to go through the paternity court and do something, and hopefully we can do it amicably after
Okay.
today.
Okay. But what's your situation? You have seen or haven't seen your children?
No, I have been seeing my children's now, yes.
Okay.
But there was a point where I wasn't able to contact my daughter. And that's what bothered me. And then the incident happened, and I came to file a restraining order on her. As long as she agrees to, when I call her, to pick up the phone and to bring me back my children, just like I do with her, then, there's not a problem.
When you walk out of here, if you don't want to go forward, we're not going to have a hearing. What you're going to have is an order dismissing this case.
Okay.
Which means all you'll have is her word that this is going to happen. So if either of you feel like you need more than that, then you need to file a case like we talked about. Many, many couples can just work it out. That's the best thing, right? Have a conversation, talk about what's good for both of you. Do you think you can do that?
Definitely.
And you have an attorney here now representing you, so you're very fortunate. And maybe she can help set something up, maybe even just outside before you leave, so that there can be an understanding between both of you. What do you think about that?
Yes.
You like that?
Yeah.
And how about you? Do you like that?
Definitely.
Counsel, do you think you could help do that?
I am, Your Honor, and we were trying to do that, and we are going to proceed just doing it formally, and just so that there's no issues and everything is there in a parenting plan.
That's a great idea. So in the meantime, before that gets heard, come up with something outside if you can. And that's what I hope that can happen, okay? Are you doing okay?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. I just want to get this over with.
Hopefully you can come to that agreement. And sir, if you ever need to come back to court, you can refile at any time. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice.
Okay.
And I hope that you two don't have any other problems like this. You understand? I don't know what happened, but if what he said is true and you're hitting him over the head with something, that's criminal behavior. You understand?
I understand.
Okay, well, let's get this worked out so maybe you two don't have to have so much time together in the future, okay? And your kids are doing okay?
Yes, they're fine.
Okay, your kids are okay?
I haven't seen them since May 28th.
You haven't seen them for a month?
Since May 28th.
So do you have a plan that you're going to get to see them?
Yeah, I'm gonna let her get him today.
You're
I'm gonna
gonna-
let him take her today to till Sunday.
Perfect. Because it's very important for kids to spend time with both their mom and their dad. As long as they have good mom and dad, those are very lucky kids. So the more we can do to have them spend time with both parents, the better. Because they'll miss you guys if they're not with you, right? Little kids miss both their parents a lot. And I can tell you, you've been through a lot, sir. And I can tell, ma'am, you've been through a lot. Is there something else I can do to help you?
No, that's all.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Ma'am, is there something I can do to help you?
That's fine.
Okay.
I just want to see my kids.
I know you do. Okay, so you're going to work that out outside, okay? Okay, so good luck to both of you, okay?
If you feel that you or someone that you know is a victim of domestic violence, don't wait any longer. Pick up the phone now and call the National Domestic Violence Hotline at 1-800-799-7233.